Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you quickly how to fix Google Play Store application problems in your Android TV, Google TV, TV box and so on. The same procedure applies to all your TV streaming devices that use the Google Play Store application. So the first thing you're going to do is just turn off your device and turn it back on. Remove the power cord for a few seconds and put it back. Solution number two, let's go to settings, and in settings look for apps, press apps, see all apps. So we're talking today about Google Play Store application. Open the application and then press force stop. Press OK. If solution number one does not fix the problem, try solution number two. Solution number two, updates. Updates help extend the overall useful life of the TV box or any TV. In rare cases, an update may cause unexpected problems, such as lag, crashes, breaking the device, or connectivity issues. Manufacturers typically release subsequent updates to fix these issues quickly. So in the Google Play Store application settings, we just press uninstall updates. Once you remove updates, your TV device will automatically install them again afterwards. You don't have to do that manually. Press again force stop. Then disable. Press OK. Scroll up and press enable. You have to enable the application. Just press enable. Once you press OK, you will get the application back in your device. So next solution, if you still have problems, go back to settings, always in apps, open apps, see all apps, scroll down to Google Play Store, open the application, scroll down, press clear cache and press OK. This will fix the problem. One more solution I would like to share with you guys. You have to go back to settings in your box or in your TV, settings, accounts and sign in. Press your email address. Now press remove account. Just remove your account and add it again. Press remove and then press OK. Always in accounts and sign in. Press the plus sign, add account, sign in, and now you just enter again your Google account or your Gmail account. So I'm gonna enter my email address, press the arrow to continue. Next, you just enter your Google account password. So once you have entered your password, press the arrow to continue. So I have just added my Gmail account and the Google Play Store should be working now. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, give it a like, share it with others, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.